everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. Today, I'll be showing you how to log into Badoo account. Keep watching the video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go to your web browser, or you can even go to your mobile device and tap open your web browser and type in badoo.com and search. As soon as you do that, you'll be taken to this website right here, which is an official website of Badoo. To sign into Badoo, enter your email or your phone number and your password on this box right here. If you are new on Badoo and you haven't created an account for yourself, simply click on Create Account and register yourself to a new Badoo account. If you want to learn how to create a new account, then you can visit our channel and we have made a video on that as well. Let's go back and sign into our account for today. Enter your email or your phone number. After entering your email, enter your password to your account. Make sure to enter the correct password that you have created during the sign up process. After you are done, click on the Sign Me In button. In case you forgot your password, you can reset it back by clicking on Forgot Your Password and click on Sign Me In button. After you're done, you'll be able to sign into your account just like that. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back again with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.